Welcome, adventurers. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to a land steeped in history and bursting with culture. Picture a place where ancient ruins stand proud, and culinary delights await at every turn. From enchanting waterways to rolling vineyards, this destination promises unforgettable experiences. As we explore, I invite you to guess where we are. Can you unravel the mystery of this mesmerizing locale? Let's dive in and discover its hidden treasures together. If you're excited to travel with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more adventures. Join our community of explorers and be the first to discover hidden gems around the world. Now, let's go. Imagine a place where history whispers through ancient stones, where every corner tells a story of empires long past. Here, colossal structures rise from the earth, remnants of a once glorious civilization. In this vibrant country, the air is filled with laughter and the aroma of delicious cuisine. Street vendors serve up a culinary delight, golden, crispy slices topped with fresh tomatoes and fragrant basil. Picture a city of waterways, where elegant boats glide through serene canals. This enchanting place is a labyrinth of narrow alleys and charming bridges, each turn revealing hidden gems and colorful facades. A stunning cathedral with intricate architecture. Marvel at architectural wonders that stretch toward the sky, showcasing exquisite artistry from centuries gone by. Here, the blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles creates a breathtaking skyline. A lively market with artisans and craftsmen. Stroll through bustling markets where skilled artisans craft beautiful works of art. From delicate glassware to intricate leather goods, this place is a treasure trove of creativity. Rolling hills with vineyards and olive groves. Venture beyond the city to lush, rolling hills dotted with vineyards. The sun-drenched landscapes produce some of the finest wines in the world. Savor the moment with a glass of rich red, paired perfectly with a feast of local delicacies. A picturesque coastal village. Along the coast, colorful houses cling to rugged cliffs, overlooking azure waters. The sound of waves crashing against the rocks creates a melody of tranquility, inviting you to relax and breathe in the salty air. A famous landmark with a unique shape. And there's a structure so iconic, it's become a symbol of love and passion. Leaning precariously yet standing strong, it captures the hearts of those who visit. A sunset over a romantic piazza. As the sun sets, the warm glow of street lamps lights up the cobblestone paths. Couples stroll hand in hand, and laughter fills the air, creating an atmosphere of romance and joy. A vibrant outdoor cafe with locals enjoying their meals. Step into a lively cafe where the clinking of glasses and cheerful chatter fill the air. Here, people gather to savor rich, aromatic coffee paired with sweet pastries, creating a delightful ritual that reflects the heart of daily life. A small piazza where a street artist paints. Watch as a street artist captures the essence of this enchanting locale on canvas, blending colors that mirror the stunning architecture and vibrant atmosphere. It's a testament to the passion for art that flows through the veins of this place. Can you guess this land of art, history, and culinary delights? Comment below with your thoughts, and let the adventure begin.